Hi friends, welcome to day 2 of Jim's Pig. If you haven't already listened to the first recording, day 1 of Jim's Pig, do that now. We're going to begin today by reviewing our sight words with the game Beat the Teacher. I'll point to the word, you'll say the word out loud, and you're going to try to say it before I do. Ready? Let's play. Say the word. Has. Say the word. His. Say the word. Likes. Say the word. What? Say the word. The. Say the word. Will. Say the word. See. How did you do at your sight words today? Were you able to remember most of them? So those sight words are going to be in our story, and we will also see CVC words in our story. Here are some CVC words. We're going to say the letters sounds, and then we'll blend the words together. Blend the sounds together to make a word. Ready? Here we go. At, rat, job. Job. Say it with me. An, fan, odd, nod, it, kit. Awesome. Let's take a look at the next row of words. Say the sounds and blend with me. Here we go. Add, dad, ag, gag, ed, led, on, con, et, pet. Awesome work. Last row. Here we go. Ip, rip, it, lit, egg, leg, mix, ip, lip. How did it go saying your CVC decodable words? All right, we're going to see some of those words in the story, or at least we're going to see CVC words in our story, certainly. Let's get ready to read. We'll start by reading this together. Read out loud with me as I point. Ready? Here we go. Jim's Pig. Keep reading the words out loud with me throughout the whole story. Ready? Here we go. Jim has a pig. His pig is Kip. So the name of his pig is Kip. Ready? Read. Kip the pig likes figs. He bit the fig. Yum! A fig is a type of sweet fruit. Kip is a big pig. He likes to dig. Kip will dig and dig. Jim will see Kip dig. Keep reading out loud with me. Kip will dig a big pit. What is in the big pit? It is a fig. All right, last page. Jim will fill the pit. Kip will nip the fig. Yum! So there you can see him nipping or taking little bites of the fig. How did you do at reading with me? Reading it together. Did it go well for you? Did you try all the words? Way to go. Now we're going to read the story again together, but in a different way. This is called duet reading. I'll read the words in white, and you'll read the words in yellow. So we'll read every other word. So in this case, I'd say Jim's, and you would say pig. Let's try it. Jim's. Good. Throughout the story, you're going to keep reading all of the words in yellow, and I'll read all of the words in white, and we'll take turns reading every other word. Here we go. Jim, a, his, is, pig, figs. Bit, fig. You start this one. Is, big, he, to. Ready? You start. Will, and, Jim, see, dig. Ready? You start. Will, pit, is, the, pit, is, fig. Last page. Here we go. You start. Will, the, kip, nip, fig. Nice work. Were you able to say the words in yellow out loud? Doing duet reading and choral reading helps us become better as readers. Keep up the great work. Now that we've read the story, we're going to try to answer some questions. Answering these questions will help us to check our comprehension. Say that word with me. Comprehension. Comprehension is understanding what we read. So let's check if we understand this story. Ready? Read this question with me. What is the pig's name? Say the answer out loud. On page 1, I see my answer. Ready? Read with me. Jim has a pig. His pig is Kip. Kip is our answer. Let's take a look at the next question. Ready? Read with me. What does the pig like to do? Say your answer out loud. On page 3, it shows us what Kip likes to do. Ready? Read with me. He likes to dig. For our final comprehension question, we're going to read this one. Here we go. What was in the big pit? Say your answer out loud. Let's take a look. Read with me. What is in the big pit? It is a fig. Figs are those sweet fruits, and you might have heard of Fig Newtons, a candy or a cookie that has figs inside of it. All right, we're moving on to our last part. You're going to get out your paper that looks like this and a pencil. We're going to do some writing. We'll start with the first line that says CVC. You're going to be writing CVC words. On the first line, you're going to write the word fig. Fig. Say the sounds in fig and write one letter for each sound that you said. Fig. Fig. All right, let's take a look at how you spell the word fig. F is an F, I is an I, and G is a G. Fig. Great work, friends. Now we're going to go to the second line. On the second line, you're going to write the word yum. Write the word yum on the second line. Say the sounds that you hear in yum and write one letter for each sound you hear. Yum. Pause the video if you need more time. We're going to look at the word yum. Let's check it out. This is the word yum. Y is a Y, A is a U, and is an M. Yum. Check if you got that, and if you did, you can put a check mark and the circle on the top. Make sure to do that for fig as well. If you don't have this word correctly, pause your video and write it down now. All right, so far we have the word fig and we have the word yum. Now we're going to write the word pit on the third line. Pit. Say the sounds you hear in pit and write one letter for each sound you hear. Pit. Pit. All right, let's take a look at how you would write the word pit. Pit. P is a P, I is an I, and T is a T. If you were to correctly, put a check mark in the circle. If not, stop the video now and pause it and make yours look like mine. Pit. All right, awesome job with your CVC words. Now we're going to move down to the second part of our writing. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 lines here. So you are going to write a sentence that has 4 words in it. This is your sentence. What will he see? Lots of your sight words are in this sentence. What will he see? Say it with me. What will he see? The first 2 words are what will. Let's write the first word, what, on the first line. What. Please make sure to use an uppercase letter as you start writing the word what, because this is the beginning of our sentence. What. The word what has heart parts in it, so make sure you remember how to write the word what. What. What will. The second word is will. Write the word will on the second line. Will. Say the word and write letters for each sound you hear. Will. What will. Pause the video if you need more time to write will. Our last 2 words are he, see. What will he see? On the third line, write the word he. What will he? On the last line, write the word see. See. What will he see? See. See. Make sure to put an end mark here at the end of your sentence. What will he see? Pause the video if you need more time to write that sentence. We're going to take a look at what the sentence looks like. All right. This is the word what. What. This is a sight word. We have 2 heart parts. WH says W, and the A says The T makes its regular sound T. But the first part of what you have to remember by heart. W is WH, is the letter A, that's unusual, and T is a T. What. Pause the video if you need more time to fix the word what, and if you have it, put a check mark. The second word is the word will. The word will has 3 sounds. W is a W, I is an I, and ul is 2 L's. That's the part we have to remember by heart. Will. Put a check mark if you have it. If not, pause the video and fix yours now. What will he? He has 2 sounds. Is an H and E is an E. Put a check mark here if you had it, have it, and pause the video if you need more time. What will he see? The word see has 2 sounds. S is an S and E is 2 E's. Put a check mark if you got it. If not, pause the video and fix it. What will he see is a question. So I end the sentence with a question mark. And of course I started with an uppercase letter.